Hello guys. The purpose of this channel is to help you people to learn math topics and their concepts, tips and tricks. By learning all these, you can find yourself solving the problems in an utmost easiest way. So, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll upload all the videos on a daily or weekly basis.
Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will learn a topic about solving system of linear equations using elimination method. We will dive into the topic about algebra, algebraic expression and solving the pair of equations using elimination method. I think you will find this video helpful. Solving pairs of equations using elimination. So what is an algebra? It is a part of mathematics which contains general symbols to represent the number. What is an algebraic expression? It is like in the form of an expression which includes a variable, again the constant, all this. For example, here they have given 3x plus 2. For example, 2x plus 3x plus 2, that is also an algebraic expression. 2x square plus 2x square plus 3x plus 2. This is also an algebraic expression, but it has the degree 2. Okay, it has the degree 2. Why we are saying it has the degree 2? Because this equation contains the first degree 2 and the second degree here is, we are just considering it as power 1. For example, we can just say, so the elimination method for solving the system of linear equations using the addition property, or else we can also use subtraction, anything. Okay, you can add the same value to each side of the equation. Okay, like that. Okay, let's solve this question. I think so that you can understand all these things. So the given question here is solving the system of equations or the solving pair of equations using elimination method. So that have given 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. To solve using elimination, there are 4 steps. In the first step, we have to make sure the equations have opposite x terms or opposite y terms. Okay, and the step 2 is we have to add to eliminate one variable or solve the other. And we have to plug the result of step 2 into one of the original equations and solve and stating the solution. So let's do step by step so that you can understand. The first one, we have to make sure the equations have opposite x terms or y terms. So here we know that the equation is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. What we have to do here is, now actually we have to make sure the equation have opposite x, which is both the equations should contain x. Because first we have to solve for x. Okay, for that we are just seeing, we have to know whether the equation, both the equation, let's consider it as equation 1 and let us consider this as equation 2. So let's see, we make sure the equations have opposite x terms or opposite y terms. Here we are just taking x here. So we know that x is having the opposite x in both the equations. We have to add to eliminate one variable for the other. If we are adding, we just add two numbers like this, 3, 4, which is plus. So we just add 3 plus 4 and we write the answer 7. So likewise, exactly whatever we are doing for adding or subtracting, exactly we are gonna do using these pair of equations. Now we know if we add this, for these two equations, the common symbol is plus. So we know plus and minus is minus. So 2x and 2x will get cancelled because it is obviously 0x, right? We are doing here. Just forget about the variable. Okay? We are just simplifying 2x and minus 2x, which is 0x. Okay. Yeah. And minus 4 and plus 2, which is minus 2y. Right? See, even though if we are adding, minus times plus is minus. So for both the value, you just have simply minus 12 and minus 2. Minus 14. Minus 2y is equal to minus 14. That is what we got from the above equation. Now using this, we have to find or we have to simplify for y. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we know that minus 2y is equal to minus 4. We can divide it by minus 2. So for that, we can divide both sides by 2.
Yeah.
So if we are dividing minus 2y divided by minus 2, which is equal to, again on this side we have to divide by minus 2. So we can easily cancel out each other. We can cancel out minus 2 and minus 2, and which is 1 and 1, and minus 2 and minus 14, which is obviously 2 times 7 is 14. So the answer is y is equal to 7. That is the
answer.
Yes. So y is equal to 7 is the answer. So we know what is the variable or what the value for y, because we solved for one variable. We eliminated one, we solved for one, and we know what is the answer for one variable. So it is y is equal to 7. Now, the third step, which is plug the result of step 2 into one of the original equations and solve, which is nothing but using the value or using the variable y is equal to 7. Using this variable, you have to substitute y is equal to 7 in any one of the given equation, and we have to solve. We have to find the another variable, that is x.
Yeah.
Okay, we know what is the given question here. There are two equations. You can pick any one of the equation here. So let's just pick the first equation. Okay, equation 1. So let's write 2x minus 4y equal to minus 12. Now we are taking the step 2 and we know what is y is equal to 7, and we are plugging it in the above equation. Okay, so here this one is the y here, so you just plug the y value in this equation, so which is 2x minus 4 times 7, and which is equal to minus 12. Now we have to multiply it. So 2x, what is 4 times 7?
4 times 7 is 28.
Yes. Which is 28 and minus 12. Add 28 on both sides and let's solve it. So 2x, because they are already know it is given that it is minus 28. For solving minus 28, we have to add plus 28 here. So we are adding 28 on both sides. So what is minus 12 and plus 28?
Okay. 16.
Yes. And we know that minus 28 and plus 28 is 0. So 2x is equal to 16. Now again, we have to divide both sides by 2. It is just 2x is equal to 16. We are dividing both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and 2 times 8 is 16. So x is equal to 8 is the answer. So the solution we have to write this in the form of, since x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7, the solution is 8, 7. We can also write the solution is for x comma y is equal to 8, 7. These are the steps for solving the pair of equations using the elimination method. For the first step, we are just make sure the equation have opposite terms, and the second step we are eliminating any one of the variable and we are finding the answer for one variable, and we are plugging this variable in step 3. We are just plugging this variable in any one of the equation and we are finding the variable for other one.
Yeah.
And in the step 4, we are stating the solution.